Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating my family journal. That is the horizontal layout classic size happy planner. This is for the week of Monday, October 27th through Sunday, November 2nd. If you'll stay to the end, I have pre-recorded a sneak peek of new releases that will be releasing in my shop November 1st at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. All of those releases are Christmas themed. And because of that, I am going to be using some previously released designs that are available on my website. They were actually from when I was operating under Pleasantly Planned instead of So Gracefully Broken. These are crisp weather days. I love the fall colors, the leaves, everything about these stickers. So we're going to use those. And then I'm also going to use this washi tape that pairs perfectly. This is listed in my description box of this video in my Amazon storefront. There's a link for my Amazon storefront if you're interested in purchasing this. So let's see. Not fully convinced that I'm going to be using boxes this week. I have not really been using boxes in my horizontal planner, but we will see what we can come up with for this week. So let's put this big truck down here in the corner, and then we'll kind of pair it with a quote. I did pick some faith quotes from Amber Plans Her Day, her new faith sticker book. Last I talked to Amber, she was considering restocking it, but right now it is out of stock on her website. So I don't know if you could still get this. You might be able to get it from a private seller, but it is called Faith Essentials, Promises, and Parables. And she's got a lot of quotes at the back of that sticker book. So I think I want to use Jesus is the Anchor of My Soul. The book of Hebrews is also a really good book if you want to read about the promises and power of Jesus as our high priest. Very good book to read. So off camera, I always take my tweezers and kind of smooth down my clear stickers. But let's keep moving. So I think I want to do my kind of every other little decoration theme that I normally do. I'm just not fully convinced that I want to use the large stickers. I think I want to use the smaller ones. So we're going to take this lantern, place it right here on Saturday. Whoops, let's try to straighten it up a little bit. It's crooked. And I'm ripping the page. So it's just going to lay right there. And then I do want to take my boots. So let's go here, here, and here. Let's take the boots and put on Monday. I love anything with boots and florals. I think they're so pretty. And then the trucks. I do love the trucks. So let's go here. Yeah, let's go here. And then I think I'm going to go down here with something. So there. And then do I want to go down here with something? I don't know. I'm not fully convinced that I'm going to, but let's take my other quote and put up here. So we're going to use Psalm 118:14. The Lord is my strength and my song. And I'm not loving the hearts in these quotes, but since I didn't cut them off of this quote down here, we're going to leave them on that quote up there too. All right. I love that. Super cute. So now to decide if we want to use boxes. I think I will put just a couple boxes, just kind of pair them with some of these decorative stickers. That's cute. And then maybe a yellow one over here with the lantern. That's cute. I almost feel like I kind of want to do some leaves. Let's just do clusters of leaves down in this corner, and then we'll do some at the top corner up there too. Just because we have them and we're going to use them. So cut off these little pieces and see if I can't use them. Fill in a little bit down here. Maybe there, and we're not going to use that one. So, and then let's take and put some up top here. This one. Perfect. I think I want to use one more. I'll use this smaller cluster, and we'll kind of put it. Those are the same, and those are the same. I don't know. I kind of don't want to go this way. Actually, we can. Let's go that way, and then we'll take this and put up there. So cut these off. Oops. My poor scissors always catch the brunt of everything. They always end up getting so gummy and sticky. And we're going to take this, and I'm just going to stick it there. We're going to cut that little bit off. Perfect. Okay. I think I'm going to kind of cover this up. I don't like the way that was looking in the middle there. It just kind of made the top corner kind of empty. And I think I might try to cover this bottom one up too. So maybe use this to cover that, like that. And then maybe this little piece. Oh, my scissors. Yucky. This little piece to cover up right down here. There. That just makes my little corners not so empty looking. Love it. Okay. Let's take a moment to clean off these poor scissors. And then we're going to lay some washi down if we can incorporate the washi into the spread. And I think what I'm going to do is kind of rip it down the center like I did. This is not the same washi that I used in my dashboard layout. I used this one in the dashboard layout, and this one we're going to use in this layout. These are in the same set though. So if you get that set off of Amazon, you get those two together with other ones. So let's just see. Okay. And I think what I'm going to do is try to use this in my longer empty spaces. Like here. And then here. So we'll take this one and put it here. And just kind of rip it that way. Like this. And then we'll do the same thing over here. And we'll put this one right over here. Like that. This is kind of folded. I need to straighten this out a little bit. Okay. Yeah, this is super cute. I like this. I feel like this is too thick though. Don't know that I can fix that, but we're gonna attempt it. So I can't do anything with my left hand. I don't even know why I try. Okay. Yeah, that looks a little better. All right, that's really cute. So yeah. All right, so we're done with this spread. We'll put it back in my planner. And like I said, coming right after this, I will add in that video of the new releases that will be coming to my shop November 1st at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So that's it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video so I can show you my new Christmas releases. Quick disclaimer, I accidentally cut these too small. So when you see the size comparison, the actual sticker sheets are cut the wrong size. the boxes are the correct size. So don't assume or don't think that just because I messed up that this is the size you're going to get. Your decorative sticker sheets will be the same size as these boxes. So same goes for the mini sheets and the small sheets. Everything was printed. Instead of printing actual size, I accidentally was printing on my last setting and it was fit to page or whatever it is. So they're all too small. Anyways, we have Boho Christmas or Boho Holiday. These are just really pretty, soft, neutral colors. And then we have our matching boxes. All of these will release November 1st in my shop at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. We have Christmas candy. I love these fun colors. Classic Christmas colors. We have our matching boxes. And they're all available. I did add for you, Michelle, the mini size again. So all available in large, small, and mini with the matching boxes. And then we have Christmas florals. Very pretty floral stickers. We have the matching boxes. We have Gingham Christmas. So pretty. With matching boxes. Holiday Embrace. I love these colors. Look how pretty and soft and dainty these colors are. Love them. And we have matching boxes, of course. Love these colors as well. This is Holly Jolly. So pretty. Matching boxes. These I think are my favorite. Actually, there's a couple that are my favorite. This one I love, Peppermint Mocha. I love these colors. Matching boxes. Sweet Christmas, another fun one with your classic Christmas colors. I did try to incorporate some florals into a lot of these. So a lot of you have asked for florals again. So I did try to incorporate some florals if I could find them. This one is another one of my favorites. Timeless Noel. Look how pretty those blues are. And it's got the, I forget what, what this pattern is called, but I'm really into this kind of grandma core, cottage core, blue and white or blue and ivory print. Just very pretty. These are our matching boxes. And then we have another classic. This is Warm Holiday. Love the bows. Boxes. And last but not least, we have Winter Cottage. Love the plaid in this one. So pretty. And the little red cardinal. So these all release November 1st in my shop at SoGracefullyBroken.com, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up on my website for emails. I did send out a special coupon code. That 30% off code, Fall 30, ends on October 31st. At 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So there is a 25% off coupon that is available in my email. That code is Holly Jolly. So HOLLYJOLLY in all capital letters at checkout will save you 25% off your entire purchase. So yeah, thank you for sticking around. I hope that you're as excited about these new designs as I am.
I will love